A major development now in the fight against rising COVID numbers.
The FDA has approved new booster shots for most Americans. Jen DeSalvo has more on the variant they target and when updated vaccines could be available. Jen.
Well, JC and Michelle, both Pfizer and Moderna have boosters which could be available to the public within the week, and just in time because health officials say they're seeing a resurgence in cases.
In the last weeks, there has been an increased rate of test positivity. There's been increased hospitalizations and increased nationally and locally.
With the lack of mass testing sites and people having access to in-home testing, the doctor says looking at hospital statistics is a better representation of what's actually going on. In June, COVID hospitalizations were more than 6,000. Now the CDC reports that hospitalizations are rising again to more than 17,000. Chicago area doctors say the medical community, though, is better equipped to deal with this uptick.
We have so many more tools right now. We have vaccinations. Almost everybody has either been vaccinated, infected, or a combination of both. And we have antiviral agents that we can use once people do get sick.
This new booster was created to handle a slew of COVID subvariants that have been part of that uptick in cases. But what is very different? The cost. This will be the first time the federal government does not financially cover vaccine shots. But health insurance companies, they're going to decide what the member pays for the shot. And as for those who aren't covered by any insurance, you should be able to get one for free. This morning, the CDC has an advisory meeting to sign off on those shots, and there have been a ton of questions coming in, and we have listened. So we put together a resource to answer some of those questions on NBCChicago.com and the NBC5 app. JC, you can head there and get all of your answers to all of your COVID questions.